This video, we are going to see about the advanced Git features that base and cherry picking. So let's go one by one and let's see how it works. Rebase in Git is nothing but the process of moving or combining a sequence of commits to a new base commit. Means combining some commits and getting into another commit. So let's assume that we have something called master branch, and then from master branch we are using command git checkout to future one, which means we are taking a copy of master branch and creating a new branch called feature one, and then we are switching to feature one branch using checkout command. And also here I'm making some two commits, that is C4 and C5. I'm making some commits which are added to the feature one branch. So let's imagine a scenario like while doing this, some other developer makes some other changes and they push it already to the master branch. So which is nothing but C1, C2, C3. These are the commits after the new branch created. After I have taken the checkout, some other I mean after I have taken out this checkout, some other commits this commits happened here, that is C1, C2, C3, and C4, C5 happened here. Let's say now I'm thinking that C4 and C5, which is here, I want to be that C4 and C5 to be here. So what I can do is we can use rebase, which is nothing but a process of combining or moving all the sequence of commits. Here I want to combine C4 and C5 as a sequence of commit to this master branch. What I can do is we need to go to the master branch. I can switch it to the master branch, then I can give command called git rebase, and then from branch, then the to branch. Here from feature one branch, I want to merge into master branch. In this case, what will happen is after this rebase, it will get all the commit like C4, C5 from the feature branch into this master branch. You can see here all the commits are here once after the rebase. I'm in my Git account now, so I want to create a new repository called, let's say, rebase. So it's showing it is already there, so I'm giving rebase 1. Then I'm going to make it public and I'm going to add readme file. By default it is having main branch, so let's create repository. So what I have done here, I have created rebase 1 repo in my remote. Now I'm going to my local where I need to create a new folder. So let me go to the Git projects and let me create a new one, that is Git Rebase. So I'm opening my terminal here git bash. So here I want to clone it first, so I'm giving git clone. Then I need to give the repository rebase1 repository URL. So I'm copying it, then I'm pasting it here. So then I'm giving enter, so it is being cloned. Now I have to go inside of my rebase1. So I'm giving cd rebase1, then ls-ltr. So you can see in the main branch it is having only readme file. So and also I'm giving git branch here to check the branches. So you can see we are in main branch now. Now what I have to do is uh, uh, let's say we have main branch, and then in the main branch we are making some commits. Before we make these commits, let's say we are creating another branch, we are taking feature branch, and then we are making some changes over there, and those changes has to be merged into our main branch. So let's, for that we use rebase. So right now we are in main branch. You can see here we are in main branch, and now we are going to take another branch. So I'm giving git branch, and the branch I'm creating is feature 1. So the branch has been created. Now I have to check out to that branch. Check out feature 1. So we have switched to the feature branch. So let's see the branch now, git branch. We will be having feature 1 and the main branch. If I give git branch, you can see feature and main branch, and now I am in my feature 1 branch. So let's check the status. For that I'm using git status command. So you can see on branch feature. So now I want to say something called touch f1, then git adding it to staging, then git commit -m, adding f1. Also I'm adding another one file, that is f2, touch f2, git add, git commit -m, adding f2. Similarly, I am adding another one file, that is f3, touch f3, git add, then git commit -m, adding f3. So you can see f1, f2, f3 files are added to the feature branch. So I am clearing it now. You can see everything clear. So let me give pwd. You can see I am in my rebase in the local. So if I say git log, you can see f1, f2, f3 files in my feature branch. In the feature branch it is added. Now right now I have these 3 files in feature 1 which is not in the main branch. You can see here there is nothing in the main branch. Assume that we are taking feature branch, and in the main branch we are making some changes. Let's say I will switch to the main branch and make some commits, and then finally I want to rebase it. How it will do is, let's check out first. Git checkout. I'm checking out to main branch. I mean, I'm switching to the main branch. You can see switch to the main branch. Then I'm giving git branch. You can see here there are two branches, feature 1 and main. Currently we are in main branch. Now I'm doing some changes here, like I want to add some files, so I'm giving touch F10. Then git add. Then git commit adding F10 in main. So this is my commit message. So now in the main branch we have only one commit, and in the feature branch we have multiple commit. To see that, let's clear it once. Then we'll give git log. You can see in the main branch we are having F10, and we are having only one commit, and in the feature branch we were having three commits, like F1, F2, F3. Now if you want to get all those commits from feature branch to our main branch, we can merge it, but there is different category that is called rebase, because we want all the list of commits as one commit, I mean as a sequence of commit, and put it into the main branch. So to do this, first we have to be in the main branch. Wherever we are, you can see already we are in the main branch. So I'm giving a git to rebase. I'm giving command as git rebase feature 1, then from branch and to branch main. Successfully rebased and updated reference. You can see here this it is giving message successfully rebased and updated. So now I'm giving git log. So you can see in the main branch we are having F10 and F3, F1 and F2 files, because it has rebased, which means in the feature branch there was F1, F2, F3 files and F10 file. So it is added. Whatever you added, the sequence of commits, all the sequence of commits has been merged into the main branch. So whenever we are trying to make some feature, and if you want to have it all the sequence of commits in our main branch, we can always go for rebase. This is how the rebase work. Whenever we want to merge a sequence of commits, it's better to choose rebase.